Welcome to Poema Tutorial. Today tutorial we're going to talk about Microsoft Word, and also we're going to create letterhead. We will also learn through the tutorial how to convert our Word document to PDF, and also we will learn how to set up our Word document as a template. So let's get started. Somebody may ask, how can I open a Word document? So you come to the task bar, you click here, and you tap WOR, you will see Word, and you can click on this and it will open. Or another way could be you come to the Window key on your keyboard and press arrow. Window key arrow and tap WIN WORD and you enter. You see your Word application is open. But someone may be asking, what is Microsoft Word? So Microsoft Word is an application software, and this software was developed by Microsoft. Microsoft Word help user to tap and to be able to save document. It is very helpful when it comes to making document. So Microsoft Word is also part of Office Suite. So you get Microsoft Word, you get Publisher, you get Access, you get Excel, you get Outlook. These are all software that is part of Office Suite. Now, what are the basic function of Microsoft Word? So we're going to look at the basic function of Microsoft Word. So the first one we're going to start with is creating text documents. The second one is editing and formatting the existing documents, making a text document interactive with different features and tools, graphical documents that have to do with images. Microsoft Word is very good in that. People who read books, people who do research can use Microsoft Word to do all their work. It detects grammatical errors in a text document. I'm going to see that example. Now, let's talk more about the backstage view of Microsoft Word. This is what we call a backstage view. So we have different templates that you see in Microsoft Word. Depending on the type of work you are doing, you can decide which type of template you can use. If you check on my left, you will see recent documents. These are all recent documents that are open. So as I said earlier, we're going to learn how to create header. Imagine you're working for a company and a company asks you to create header. So you need the name of the company, the address of the company, and the logo of the company. Now, to get started, let's click on this blank document. So you click on this. You notice that this will open. So Microsoft Word comprises of tab and panels. So the whole place you see is called the ribbon. And on the ribbon, we get tab, T-A-B. These are all tabs. Now, every tab have a panel. So, for example, we have the Home tab. We have Clipboard panel, Front panel, paragraph panels, and we have stars. These are all formed under the Home tab. Before we start doing any work, it will be good we lay out our sheet. So you come to Insert, you click on Insert. When you click on Insert, you come to Layout. Then come to the Layout tab first. You click on Layout tab. You come to Margin, click on Margin, and you go to Narrow. Now, how do you want your sheet to be? Landscape or portrait? For this demonstration, I'm going to use portrait. So we'll take portrait. The size of sheet, do you want A3 or A4? So you come here to size and you click on A4. So the sheet that we're using, when we're going to print it, we're going to use our A4 sheet to be able to print out our document. We come back to the Home tab, and now we click on No Spacing. So this means that our sheet is set for tapping. So we're going to tap, and as we tap, you will see misspelling words that help you to see that Microsoft Word is capable to detect grammatical errors. So the first thing, we come here, up there, you double click on it. Left hand, you double click. So from here, you can start to write your company name. So the name of my company is Passion Focus. INST, Passion Focus Institute of AutoCAD and Revit. So this is the name of my company. I enter. Now when I enter, I come to the address of the company. So the company is in CK Community, Dubai. Then enter. CK Community. Is Dubai. Then you enter. Now that blue mark you see, it shows that there are some grammatical error. Probably I should have taken space to be able to correct it. But we'll finish typing, we're going to edit it, and we'll correct all of this error that Microsoft Word is showing. So I put PNG there. Put PNG. So it tells me that PNG is misspelled. So we're going to insert that, or we're going to find answer to that. Now I'm finished typing. I want to centralize my text. So how can I do it? So the first thing, you select this. When you select this, you come to Home. When you come to Home, you come to Paragraph tab. You look here, you see align left, align center, and on the right. But I want to put this in the center. So since it looks like this, I can come, I just click on it like this. You see it goes to the center. Or I can use the control key. So you press on control key E. You see that it has been centralized. Now that error here, so I can click here, right click. You see community. So now it correct it. I come to AutoCAD, I right click. You right click. You get the correct one for AutoCAD. Come to PNG, you right click. Give you the correct spelling for PNG. Come back, right click, it's being corrected. Now I want to change the font size and also want to change the type of font. So what can I do? So I unline this and I come here to font, so I can choose different font that I want to use. So for this demonstration, we're going to use this one. So I click on this. Another one too, I come here, I want to change this, so I select this and I come back to it, the writing style, I choose this Pokemon O style, I click on this. You can make it bold, you can make it, or you can underline your text whatsoever, just from this. You can even change the color, but we'll do example. Now I want to put my logo there, right here. How can I insert my logo? So I come to insert, I come to pictures, and I have my picture right here. So let me look for my logo. This is my logo, so I click on this and I put insert. So my logo is here, but it's very big, so I use this to adjust my logo. I use this to adjust my logo. It's still big. I can use this to adjust my logo. I use this to adjust my logo. So I come here. Okay. Alright. So now we have to work with this. So I come here like this. Okay, so this, you can use it to adjust your header. So let's put it back to 5. So now you see my logo is going up, so I have to bring it back. I have to increase it. So put it to 5. Okay. Now I can come here like this. So I want to put my address, so I enter and I put. So first, let's see when we want to print it, how will it be like. So you press Control P. So you see in Control P. So this is how it will be like. So let's go back. So you come back and you double click on it. When you double click on it, you come back like this and you start to tap. It's still obviously a little bit bigger, so I can carry like this up. Okay, alright. So I can highlight this. I increase my font. So I come here. I can make it 20. I can make it 18. It's big. It's big. So I can make it. Yeah, 18 will not be bad. So we can make it 18. Then this one, you can click on it like this. You bring it here. And you work on it like this. You work on it. Alright. Okay. So now, let's put our address. Let's put our address there. So you come to put the address. So you say CG community. Borough. So you put CG community to Borough. You enter. So you come back to this one and you say Princeville. So from there you finish, you come back, you put a row there, you level the row, so you put the row. Now you come here, you click here, you right click, See double row, you can to pin it, right click, it's been corrected. So you can highlight this and you press Ctrl E, is then in the center. So if you want to also change the font, so you come out of this, you put it to 14, and you can also change. Okay, now you notice that there's a bigger space here, so you can come out of this. Okay, now we have double row already set. So our front name of company and the address is now yet being completed, so we have to put the telephone number and the email address. So you come out of this, put our telephone number, so you put a country code 231 77 00 22 188. Then you put this, then you put another one, 0, you put plus 231 0 88 6 200 353, and you enter. When you enter, the next one is your email address. You put your email address, so you say PYNAMOUPHOUET at gmail.com. When you finish, then put your website address, www.pcf.org, or you can use .com since it's an institution that use edu. So now when we finish, we come to our motive. We put our motto there, TTO motto. So the name of the motto is making cards known. If I said I'm going to make everything uppercase letter, so making card known. So the same way you can see that is you press Ctrl E, everything will be center last. Now we'll press this Ctrl E, send everything to center last. The next thing we want to do is we want to make this our text a little bit bigger. So how can we do it? So now you come here to this, you come to home, you come to this one, you see all upper cases, see everything is upper cases. So now if I come here, I right click, they say I make mistake, okay, so it's being corrected. Now you look at a lot of space here, but you want to change the color, so let's change the color in underline. So you come here to front color, you can change it to this color, change it to this color. You can the text, you can choose this one, the bookman old style, you can choose it. You can come to underline, you can underline it like this. Now if you want to bring it down smaller, okay, so you see it come down. Alright, so now you come here like this, and you come to here to front, you choose the same one. Okay, very good. Now let's change the color here because this is blue, so how can we change it? So you come here like this, you see format painter. So if you click on this, you see you just come here and it will change to this one, so it take effect. So this is what we call the format printer. So again, I can come, I select this one too. I want to change it to blue, and I come here and I can do it like this. The format printer will be able to change the color. So now you notice that this one is different from this one. So you come here like this, and I come here to the same document. Alright. So I can come back to this, and I can carry a small. Alright. So you see everything is set. Our logo is there. Passion Focus. That's the name of our company, the address. Sigi Community, Tuboro, Pinsville, Liberia. Then I have my telephone number, my email address, and my website, and my motto. Then I also have my logo. So if I finish, I say close. Now it is closed. So you can be able to use it as a template, and also I'm going to teach you how to convert it from Word to PDF. So now let's save it. So if you finish, if you want to save it, you come to File, and you come to Save As, and you come to Browse. So Browse is asking you now, where do you want to save this? So for the sake of demonstration, I say I want to save it to image. So I click on image. Now I want to change the name, so I put Word dash, and I put TEMP for short. We use it as a template. So how can I set it as a template? So I come here to save as step. When you click on the drop down arrow, you will see Word document, you will see different templates. Now here is Word template, so I click on Word template. So when I finish clicking on Word template, I say save. So this document has been saved as a template. So since that's the case, I come here, I close it. Now I come back here to my starter bar, and I click on this Word. Now it opens. So where can I check for my template? You will see feature, and you will see personal. So you come to personal, you click on personal. So you see that these are also templates that I have created. But this is a recent template we created for this tutorial. So I come back, click on this. Now you see my template is already there. So let's say I want to write. So I come here, just one sentence. So I just stop here. Now I want to save this template. I finished using it now. I want to save it as a PDF. So how can I do it? Come to the same file, or I press Ctrl S. So I come to Save As, come to Browse. This one I will save it right on my desktop. So now I can change the name, and I can put there example. So I come here to Save As Step. If I click on this, I come to PDF. There's PDF. So I can click on PDF. So when I click on PDF, I say Save. So you see the document is open in PDF. You come here, you will see PDF example.pdf. So this is our template that we use, that we save, and now we use it as a regular document to be able to write our letter. So thank you for watching. This is Boima Tutorial. I'm coming up with a series of tutorials regarding web development, how to do with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So also watch out for that. And also we're going to create another tutorial that has to do with the command prompt, how to know a password key, and so forth. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can go to Boyman Tutorial, and there are series of videos that I've created that is there. So you can click on the subscribe button. I'll come back again with another tutorial that talk about Excel. Thank you for watching.